Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn our new lesson, that is lesson number 8, the first woman in India. The first woman in India. Page number 14. Page number 14, 14. Please open your book. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn the women's achieved in a particular field. Those who are achieved their particular field, then how they are achieved, that we are going to learn in this lesson. So, our lesson title is The First Woman in India. So, in India, there are many women among them who achieve their goals. Their names we are going to learn. In our books we have some clue. So according to that clue we are going to find the particular person. Okay, so let's go to the lesson. Number 1, the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. So who is she is a woman. If woman means we know they able to cook and wash the vessels, and homely girls we come to know. Yes, woman means they are homely. They cannot do anything else. They are not have such a courage. But in the old days also there are much courage women are there in India. So she is the first woman who can fly in an aircraft. Okay, so far no one is not active, no one is not flying in an aircraft. So what is her name? Her name is Sarla Thakar. Her name is Sarla Thakar. So in your book the first answer is Sarla and Thakar. So she is the first woman who fly an aircraft. Okay, and second one, India's first woman railway driver. So nowadays the women are in all the field. Okay, everywhere the women are working now. They can drive not only a rail, so they can many they can drive all the vehicles. Okay, bus, rail, and bus, train, and auto rickshaw, motorbike. Okay, so all the vehicles now the women learn to drive. They are ready to drive. They are ready to do all the job. Okay, so she is the first woman who can drive the train. She is the first railway driver. She is the first train driver. So after that only nowadays there are many women are there, but she is the first woman who can drive train. She learned. So her name is Surekha Shankar Yadav. So who is the first railway driver? Okay, what is the name of first railway driver? Okay, so in the women's, so Surekha Shankar Yadav. So the first railway driver of women, that is Surekha Shankar Yadav. They are belongs to India. Okay, so third one, first woman IPS officer. First woman IPS officer in India. So who is the first woman IPS officer of India? That is Kiran Bedi. Her name is Kiran Bedi. She is the first woman IPS officer. So first woman president of India. The first woman president of India, that is Pratibha Patil. She is the first woman president of India. Nowadays many women are in that. So first woman Prime Minister of India. So Pratibha Patil, she is the first woman President of India. And next one is Prime Minister of India. First woman Prime Minister of India, that is Indira Gandhi. Okay, so who is the first woman President of India? So her name is Pratibha Patil. And who is the first Prime Minister of India? That is Indira Gandhi. First Indian woman to climb the Everest. Okay, so now we are feel very tired to climb the steps of ground floor to first floor or second floor. If it is third floor and fourth floor, we are feel very tired. We can't walk. Okay, so we feel too tired. Okay, but she is the woman who can achieve Everest. So her name is Bachendri Paul. So now, first woman sponge in India. The first woman sponge in India. Her name is Jhanvi Rajwat. It is not on the blackboard, but it is in your book. So please follow your book. Okay, Jhanvi Rajwat. So in your book there is a help box in alphabet. H is the seventh answer. That is Jhanvi Rajwat. And eighth one is the first Indian woman to sky to the South Pole. So her name is Reena Kashwal Dharmashaktu. First Indian actress. So who is the first Indian actress of female? She only entered into the cine field as a woman from the India. So she is the first female actress in Indian movies. Her name is Durgabai Kamath. And 10th one, first Indian woman astronaut. Nowadays there are many astronauts. There female as well as in the male also. But she is the first Indian female astronaut. Her name is Kalpana Chawla. So her name is Kalpana Chawla. Okay, who is the first Indian woman astronaut? Her name is Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so in lesson 8, okay, according to our book's clue, we found the woman's name. Okay, so not only this, there are many women achieved in their goals in a particular field. But in our books we have only 10 women's name. So you have to learn all the women's names and in which field they are achieved and which field they enter first from India. Okay, you have to learn the 10 women's name. I hope you understood the lesson 8. Okay, learn well and be safe at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.